friends, I am Dr. Faheem Kotekar from Bangalore, and I'm here today so that I can acclimatize you to the course that we are planning for this upcoming Sunday, which is supposed to be at 11 a.m. And the course is going to be on Ilizarov. So all of you know that Ilizarov is it's a technique, it's a device, it's an apparatus which is used in all fields of orthopedics. It can be used anywhere on any bone. It is a very, very versatile device, and it is something that every orthopedician should be knowing at least the basics of, because it is a wonderful device. And more often than not, when even orthopedicians see a ring fixator or an Ilizarov fixator, they tend to ignore it. However, such a wonderful device and apparatus, and the principles behind this particular method of treatment is so beautiful that you are definitely going to fall in love with it. So please join us on Sunday, 11 a.m. That's the 6th of February. And let's have a nice time then.